I'm back! Alive.
Okay. Let me...
Oh, do you lose all your money when you die?
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, each round it resets.
Oh, each round it resets. Oh, I thought you held on to it.
No.
I had like 4,000. Ooh, I know what that is. I think I know what that is. That is the...
Oh, your health is awful.
It's okay. It's gonna be fine. Double the damage.
I don't know about that.
Look at this disgusting slob of a human.
Wait, what did you get? Did you get like the beetle or something?
No, I got shard glass.
What does that do?
It halves your health but doubles your damage.
Oh, dude, I want that. Which one of those?
It's a rough
Is
price.
it a blue item?
Yeah, it is.
Which one is it?
It's the one that looks like a shaped glass. So it looks like a kind of looks like a bone.
Glass. There we go. I see it.
Yep. Oh boy, if we both take it, man, we're both gonna be glass cannons, which you're already a glass cannon.
Yeah.
What's your health right now?
I've been taking I have that fucking vial, the one that like increases your health or whatever. When the one you took from me. I have the same buff, so my health isn't that bad.
What's it at?
338.
Okay, I'm good to go.
I'm at 400. It's nasty.
400 what?
Health.
Oh shit! Oh my god!
Oh, you can hit him now if you want.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he just kicks us out. Did you guys select a map?
No, not yet.
No. There's
Oh, okay.
So
it's
many
'cause-
options.
Yeah, you chose it already. Alright, let's go. We don't have to choose it. Let's just go yonder.
Over yonder.
Over yonder.
Yo, Cammy, so Oliver and I were playing Sea of Thieves last night. We get a pretty massive score, and we get chased down by Reapers, right? We evade the Reapers. But then the same people decided to take down the Reapers and hide their ship. I don't know where their ship was, but they just sat at Reaper hideout, like just the players. And so they sank us, killed us, and then chased us. They found us and killed us 3 times.
Why?
Just because. And they were like, cussing us out.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they were like,
I've never seen such a toxic person in Sea of Thieves
oh,
yet.
they were,
But
they were nasty too. So much damage.
I feel bad that Oliver experienced that too, because she's pretty new, not new to the game, but
yeah. No, I apologize. I was like, I'm sorry, I failed. She's like, no, you're fine, you're fine. I felt so bad though, because we were literally at the finish line. Like we after all the obstacles we did, we made an alliance with another ship. We got a lot of money from that. We just were so close. Oh, we got our 50 in Merchant Alliance. Or I'm sorry, Order Soul.
oh, that's good.
Like after all of that, we got to the very finish line, and then we just got hit. That's just like they weren't even in a ship. They didn't even sell the loot.
Yeah.
They didn't even take our loot. What is that?
Oh shit! Yo, what the fuck?
Oh, he's a fucking glass cannon. He died like a biatch. Give me some chests. I want to open some chests. Oh god, should I do this again? I did something again. I'm sorry.
There's no enemies.
Oh, yeah?
It's not your meat.
You're with me, right? Right, Vargas?
No, I'm downstairs.
Oh, it's just me. Healing drone, yes, you're my boy. My buddy. Ooh. That damn near. It's fine. Panic. Ah! Oh boy, this is very intense. This is very, very intense. Boy, if I didn't take this double damage thing, I would be nowhere close to hurting this guy. I've been fighting this guy the whole time. Help! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Okay. Fuck you!
Let me know if you need help.
They put a limit on that fucking item. It only increases your health to like 100.
Which item?
The one you took from me?
Yeah, what about it?
It only increases your health up to 100. So after you kill 100 enemies, your health doesn't increase anymore.
Oh. I'm fighting one guy.
Oh, come help you.
Actually, not doing too bad on my own. He's tanking.
Are you in the purple thing?
I'm near the purple thing. You said all the enemies on the map have to be dead?
Not on the map, inside the purple orb.
Here, this location.
Oh, this
I
guy.
can see enemies like left and right, and I still don't see any enemies.
You have to then pop the little. It's like a lollipop. It looks like a lollipop. You have to press E on it to pop it.
Oh well.
Oh, then you can.
Got him.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
No. Oof, stop.
Thank you.
I have all this money, but no gold. I mean, all this money, but no gold.
Yeah.
You guys have been over here too? Fuck. I haven't had a super.
Oh jeez, you need more items. Here, you can take the stuff right here.
Now she's pity gifting.
Right here.
Where you at?
Take it.
Give me more. Huh?
No, it's behind here.
Oh, I got.
Yeah.
Let's go this way. First, let's go this way.
I got someone covering it. They're shooting them. Oh, you already got it?
Yeah, I'm good. Amy's cleaning this out.
Oh, there's a shrine right here.
Ow.
More stuff right here.
Where?
Right here.
On my way.
chest right here.
Lost the somewhere in here.
Oh shit!
Oh,
man, I was looking at my items and they killed me.
No.
If you go to that end of the map, there's like a monster.
What color?
Oh yeah, rose.
Items are right here.
I wish Margaret stayed on the map longer, right? Big of a move.
Over here.
Okay.
Items over here, over here, over here, over here.
Oh, I never picked it up. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Thank you.
Okay, we're good.
Well, except for the fact that we lost a brother in arms. And a Mexican.
Bro,
You're the diversity hire, Vargas. Come on.
I'm not even Mexican, bro.
Yeah, I know. You
Make that
almost
clear.
accepted it.
I'm not
for a
even
second.
Mexican.
You almost accepted it too for a second. You're like, oh, well, who's the other one? Holy fuck is that
Holy shit.
thing? She's OP.
That was a little achievement too.
You can take two of them.
I don't need your
You'll be
pity.
safe if you
I don't need your charity.
turrets in here, so you heal when you choose. Run, ha 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 ha.
There was definitely several times there where I almost died.
Get shaped glass again. Stack the damage.
Can it? I don't think it'll do that. Will it?
Let me see if it does.
It does, but you lose half the health too.
Again? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you do that? You're crazy. if you
No, I
did that.
didn't. I didn't.
I wouldn't
Because
recommend
my
it.
health is already tiny.
Yeah, my health is puking right now.
What I would start doing is I would recommend I would get the shell and the star looking thing. And then once you have 5 shells, you can get the ultimate, which doubles your damage. But for now you're good because you don't have the shell, so it's just gonna automatically
Yeah?
Talking about purity.
purity and then gesture of the drown.
Okay.
I like this. Now I don't have to deal with it. Dude, it's like a 10-second cooldown. This is broken.
Yeah, just the shell increases your cooldown for your ultimate.
Yeah, but I already have another buff too. So it's like stupid.
Oh, okay.
It's stupid tiny.
Yeah, yeah. That's cool.
Let's fuck some shit up.
Or this one. I haven't been here in a while.
It's been a while. Oh, that looks terrifying. Whatever that is, don't want.
You have a chance of getting an item, but if you lose that chance, you lose all your items.
That sounds scary.
You have a chance of... where is it? Void items are new to you, and should just... yeah, be a little electric.
Like your personality. Haha.
Uh-huh.
You sounded so confused.
Wow, it's so funny.
Good friends.
It's so
Armor
exciting. Let's see, you guys hit the shrine of the mountain. Let's go.
Fuck off, you little insolent fucks. Get off me!
Gosh, someone got the thing to 4,000. It's crazy.
Put down. Slot him up over here. Vargas is just trying to keep up with me. Begging. I love when missiles just go somewhere random. It's awesome. Ow.
Oh my god, bro.
Yo! Well, how did you die? Where are you?
Because
I
I'm
can revive
looking
you.
at items and then like something just kills me one
Gotta
shot.
be
Yeah, you gotta
Gotta be.
clear your
I kind of figured out
area
what-
before
yeah, I kind of
clicking
figured out.
items.
Damn,
Mark
you
and
know.
click, or click something random. Does armor piercing rounds stack?
I think so.
What the hell is that thing? Doesn't matter. It all dies the same.
You need super fast.
Hi, you died, bitch. Oh fuck. I got
Oh,
one.
you died too.
He once had me.
Yeah, he did.
What did you die to?
A big rock boy with horns.
Oh yeah, those are super strong. I can't remember their names.
Damn, your character's flying! Oh my god. Oh, what the hell is that shit? You just fly over and boop, boop, boop. They're all dead. I'm over here pelting them with BB guns.
Yes, there you are. There you are.
There you are.
Okay, how much are you now? Oh, you're just gone. Okay.
No pressure, don't let them. You see this, Vargas? We're clearly playing two different games. You see what we're dealing with here?
Holy shit.
What the fuck?
Ow.
Oh yeah, ow, that hurt you so bad.
Now we just wait.
Cammy, I hate you.
Oh, you can't stand in that though. That will kill you. That's void.
Let's hope.
Okay. Yeah, we can end it here.
Look at you!
Look
One
at
tapping
you,
everything! Vargas, you're letting me down, alright? You were supposed to be the ace in the hole.
Man, I'm still trying to learn how to
I don't know. Yeah, I'm looking at it right now, so.
Okay, just go. We're here.
Oh,
Be
I
careful.
spawn in, just shoot.
I'm gonna.
Oh, I like this map.
Look, I'm gonna leave my turret right here. So if you guys need healing, you can stand here.
What's the crowbar again?
That is inc. Oh, you can sit it if you know it.
Oh. No, I didn't mean to interrupt, sorry. No,
Oh,
I think
it's okay.
damage against enemies that are like at full health.
Yeah.
I just got it myself.
I just... Oh god! Something slapped me. Something bit my back! Where are you?
You can take this one if you want.
Thanks, Mom. Yep, I just heard the sound of a squeaky toy.
Oh,
That's exactly what I am. Alright,
yeah,
give me
that's
something good. Give me something
the
good,
that's the
trying.
bear.
Ooh, yeah, baby. What's the bear?
Bear blocks damage.
What's the book? Ooh, chance to kill drop treasure. Hell,
I think we collected everything.
What's this shit that's like following me and doing damage? What the fuck?
oh, you're in trouble, brother. Go to hell. Go, 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 go. Get there.
Was there a boss that you're next to?
No, I didn't see it.
Oh, that guy right there. The guy Evans is fighting right now.
That's him?
When he goes down, he sucks you and he does damage to you.
Alright, well, woo! Big explosion. You know he did. Woo! You know he did. Cammy walks by and the seas rise.
There's a yellow one right here. Who hasn't gotten it?
I haven't gotten the yellow one yet.
Bring it around town. Bring it around town.
Yeah.
So much chaos. What's
Wait,
the
maybe
bear
that's
do?
why.
I can't remember again. I know you told me.
It blocks damage.
Blocks damage. Fucking hell.
Just remember, your teddy bear when you were a child saved you
didn't
from
have
anything. Okay, well, your whatever it is, your blanket or pillow kept you away from the monsters.
I slept outside.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thanks, Cammy, for bringing up a traumatizing past to my childhood.
Anyway, let's go.
I'm gonna go cry now.
Forward.
Onward, men, to victory. God, this is stupid. So fast. Yo. Woo! Like the flash. I gotta go. I gotta go.
There's a blue item
I'm
here.
gonna die. I'm gonna die. I don't know what to do.
No!
I don't know what
I'm
to
on the
do.
way!
I am running away. I ran all the way across the map.
I'm on the way!
I
No.
don't know what was going on. It just could. I would not stop taking damage no matter where I was.
You're probably burning.
Oh,
I need to get faster so I can save you guys!
I'm actually really fast. I can't believe I have to work tomorrow. Borderline.
Oh my god.
You died?
Yeah, that
No.
thing. That thing I think that was killing Evans killed me. It was like a burning.
Where is it?
I think I killed it before.
I think I'm at the point where it doesn't matter anymore. I can quit the game.
You could what?
I can quit the game. It's just boring now.
Yep. I can see how it would be boring for you.
Oh, I hope not. If so, we'll I don't know what we'll do.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna look for it. Maybe,
Oh, this is the first one.
there's a bad guy. Right here. There's loot for you guys.
Oh shit.
Right there. 5 each.
On my
Another bad guy. Hope he gives loot. Did he this time? I think it's just once. Yeah. Once per month. No, I'm just gonna give you. You guys can take all the loot. I'm gonna open it for you guys. See it running around? I mean, if you see it open, just take it.
It's like our big brothers. helping us out.
There's 3 loot over here. 4 loot. In a row. You just follow right there. There should be a ton. Oh, there's a ton right here. They're all over there.
Taking it. Getting stronger.
Yeah.
I think at this point it doesn't really matter.
Okay, well, I think we got everything. We have the portal. Shrine. The one gets 2. Whoever gets here first gets 2.
Already there.
Oh.
Pace me fast. Damn indeed.
I'll stop playing. I shall start killing everything and opening it.
Okay.
Oh, there's a booty guy here.
Found the trash.
Here's another.
Oh, I think that. Oh! My beach. There's a ton of loot right here.
I made my secondary fully automatic.
Another one right here.
I'm so powerful.
Right here. Oops. And right here. Oh, there's a ton right here. There's one right there. Right there. Chest right there. Actually, I'm getting out of the house. You know what? I'm gonna stay away and I'll let you guys fight it.
Yeah. What?
I want to see how it goes.
It's not gonna go well.
Well, we'll see. We'll see. Just do it. I'll run in. I'm close by just in case.
It's activated.
Okay, now I'm gonna run in. Okay. Okay. You guys are gonna get sucked, be careful. Gotta get far away. Because there's 3 of them. You guys are doing damage, nice! Go up. Come over here. Okay. There we go.
That fire damage is not working. Alright, here we go. Fight!
Nice! You guys did it.
Wow!
I'll just let you guys do it for now on. Paramore's on. Yeah.
I didn't know you were playing.
I've been on a phase recently, like a rock phase. No, not a phase.
You just said a phase.
Well, I've been on a like, I guess it is a phase where I'm really listening to certain music. You're done, Zoe. I'm gonna kill everyone. I mean everything.
Oh, everyone? You've become too powerful. You've lost touch with humanity. You're not grounded to reality anymore.
Order 66 will be conducted.
We're just pieces. This is the game. Maybe I'll die here again.
Who?
Cammy.
Right here. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Catching up.
actually draining.
I stopped taking stuff, so you guys are catching up now.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Right here.
I need ground. Get over
Nice and do it.
Let me take care of these guys. I got them. I did it.
Let's go. You guys did so great.
So painful.
You guys did so good. Such an amazing job. I'm so proud of all of you.
Yeah, that's you. God, I don't. It fits you too well. You do the voice too well. It's scary.
Because people complain about it all the time.
Just like how I do the, just like how I do the TikTok voice too well.
Oh, have fun. Go ahead and do it.
Do what?
Oh, is that the Celestial Portal? We're free. We're free.
Is it?
Are we ready to go?
Of course we are.
Do you
Go.
guys want to end it? Oh,
I thought we were doing it. This is what we agreed
I mean,
upon.
there's no fighting. Yeah, there's no fighting. So it's just we're gonna
can
be
win.
committing seppuku.
Yeah, we're winning.
There we are. Winning.
This was the Celestial Portal?
Yeah.
Saying shit.
Oh, but what TikTok voice were you talking about?
You won't believe what my boyfriend got me.
Oh my god.
You guys have been asking me if I'm the voice on TikTok.
You're so stupid.
I fell. I'm
Oh,
back.
don't die. Oh.
That
Almost
did a
died.
lot
Don't
of
click it yet.
damage. Don't fall. You will die. Well,
Yeah,
actually,
don't
maybe
click it
not.
yet.
If you have the instant regen when your health goes low. That's the only thing that saved me. I was at 70 health at one point.
Okay, so we gotta wait
Wait for what?
for you.
Okay, what the fuck is this sound? I keep hearing all through it. I've been editing this for about 20 minutes or probably, no, more like an hour and a half, and I'm just so sick of hearing this fucking horn. It's just been blaring randomly nonstop. What the fuck is it? Oh, you waiting on me? I got you.
Yeah, because you guys
Here
are
I am.
pressing this. Okay, ready? You guys pressing it?
Wait, what? Did it say obliterate yourself?
Yeah. Are you sure?
Hell yeah. Now we unlocked the
No,
whole
we should-
characters, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought
can
there
see
was.
your stats and everything.
I thought there was a legitimate fight. It's just that's how you.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought you were being. I don't know.
No.
no.
You can look at the stats, by the way.
I am, and it's a bit ridiculous. Jesus, Cammy. It's not even close. Damn, Vargas, you actually got way more kills than me. However,
I was actually putting in work, elbow grease, man.
yeah, there's 10 kills to elbow grease as well. 'Cause I'm half of you. I don't want to play with Cammy anymore. She's mean.
Yeah, no, I'm sweaty. Not really sweaty. I
You
know
are
how to play the
sweaty.
game.
You are definitely a sweat. You're definitely a meta.
I'm not sweaty. I'm
You
just.
are. Look at you. You're dripping.
It's just normal.
Oh, oh my God. What's it?
I like
Marcus,
being a god.
What is worse than someone that is good? It's someone that's good and they pretend like they're not good. Like, oh, bro, this is what I always do. I'm always just piss excellence, bro. You don't wake up and fucking just be a god? What the fuck's wrong with you?
You learn and you adapt. There you go. You guys got a new character.
Sweet.
I just won.
Oh God, I got half the cast.
I got 3.
I
Ooh,
got.
this guy's cool. What's
That
this
guy's really good when you get him buffed up. Like
Show
he
off to my
can
screen.
one-shot everything. Okay.
Oh, the mercenary
samurai.
is who I was talking about. The
Yeah, dude,
mercenary.
we both clicked on it at the same time. Yeah.
Oh wait, no, I only. Never mind. I only unlocked 2 guys.
I have
3
on
guys.
3. Fucking
never
nerd.
mind.
This art. How do you get this art? That artifact. This artifact was pretty fucking.
So next time we can do it and get it for you guys. Basically, you know the round where the grandfathers would spawn? It's a giant yellow, like golden people, the giant ones, and they have like orbs or whatever. On that place, there's a ton of buttons below that map you guys were talking about. And you punch in a certain code. I mean, you guys can do this by yourself too if you wanted to. It's very simple.
Yeah.
I don't
You
want. I
punch
don't
in-
even want to know what you call simple after what we just went through.
It's so easy, guys.
No,
Just do it.
it's easier than what we went through.
This method is easier than you think.
You punch in codes and then you do the mission and then you get it. It's okay. It's fun. It's good.
I don't believe you.
Oh, okay, whatever.
You violated my trust today, Cammy, and I'm vastly disappointed in you.
I was just trying to have fun.
You killed everything. You broke it all.
I know.
You're too good.
I was thinking about that. I'm like, maybe it's not fun anymore.
No. I had fun. And just because Vargas hates you, that doesn't mean that you're a bad
What are you
person.
talking about, bro?
Yeah. Bro, you're texting me right now. You're like, oh my god, I hate this stupid. Who is she? Make her go away.
Bougie.
No, who is she?
Oh, at least said bougie.
Bro, can't we just go back to you and me? What the hell's going on with this girl? Please just slit her wrists already. Damn, Vargas. Really?
Damn, you know what the fuck? I ain't saying all that. What the hell?
That's okay. It's opinions, personal thoughts.
I probably should end the recording. I'm still recording.
Oh, yeah.
I like it.